Transforming old barnwood into profitable, high-demand furniture for modern homes is a journey that begins with understanding the quiet power of material history and ends with creating pieces that feel both timeless and relevant in today's market. Old barnwood, often weathered by decades of sun, rain, wind, and agricultural labor, carries a visual depth that new lumber cannot replicate. Its worn grain, nail holes, saw marks, and natural patina tell stories that modern buyers increasingly crave as they move away from disposable furniture and toward meaningful, character-rich interiors. What once supported livestock or stored harvests can now anchor a living room, bedroom, or entryway as a refined statement of sustainability and craftsmanship. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The process starts with careful selection and respect for the material, recognizing that each plank is unique and must be approached thoughtfully. Raw shipping or salvaged barnwood often arrives rough-sawn, uneven, and full of imperfections, yet within those imperfections lies its greatest value. Rather than fighting the flaws, the skilled craftsperson studies the wood structure, moisture content, and grain patterns, deciding where strength must be reinforced and where visual texture should be preserved. Cleaning the wood is an act of revelation, not erasure, removing surface dirt and loose debris while protecting the aged surface that gives barnwood its signature appeal. This balance between refinement and restraint is what allows the wood to transition from rustic debris into a premium material suited for modern homes. As the wood is prepared, the transformation becomes both technical and artistic. Milling old barnwood requires patience, as hidden metal fragments, hardened knots, and irregular thicknesses demand slower, more deliberate work. Each pass through a planer or jointer is done with intention, taking off only what is necessary to ensure stability while preserving the wood's original character. This process results in boards that are structurally sound yet visually honest, retaining the scars and textures that define reclaimed wood furniture. From here, the design phase takes center stage, where rustic heritage meets contemporary form. Modern homes favor clean lines, functional proportions, and furniture that feels intentional rather than ornamental, and old barnwood adapts beautifully to this aesthetic when guided by thoughtful design. A console table crafted from reclaimed boards becomes more than a surface. It becomes a focal point where minimalist silhouettes allow the wood's texture to speak. Bed frames built from barnwood transform bedrooms into spaces of warmth and calm, grounding sleek interiors with natural depth and authenticity. The key is contrast, pairing the rough history of the wood with refined joinery, balanced dimensions, and subtle detailing that feels current rather than nostalgic. Finishing is where old barnwood truly steps into the modern market, as this stage determines how the piece will be perceived and valued by contemporary buyers. Instead of heavy stains that mask the natural grain, finishes are chosen to enhance what time has already created. Natural oils, matte sealers, or low-sheen protective coats bring out color variation while protecting the wood for daily use. These finishes ensure the furniture meets modern expectations for durability without sacrificing its raw appeal. A well-finished piece feels smooth to the touch while still visually textured, inviting use while honoring its past life. This careful refinement elevates barnwood furniture from rustic craft to sophisticated decor, making it suitable for high-end interiors, urban apartments, and modern farmhouses alike. Buyers are not simply purchasing furniture, they're investing in a piece that blends sustainability, craftsmanship, and story, and this emotional connection significantly increases perceived value and willingness to pay premium prices. From a market perspective, the profitability of barnwood furniture lies in its alignment with current consumer values. Today's buyers are increasingly eco-conscious, design-aware, and eager to support makers who prioritize sustainability and authenticity. Furniture made from reclaimed barnwood naturally fits into this mindset, as it reduces waste, minimizes the need for new lumber, and celebrates reuse without compromise. This narrative becomes a powerful selling point, allowing makers to position their work not just as furniture, but as responsible design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The modern market rewards transparency and intention, and when customers understand where the wood came from and how it was transformed, the piece gains emotional weight. This connection transforms functional items like tables, benches, and bed frames into meaningful investments rather than temporary purchases. As a result, reclaimed barnwood furniture often commands higher prices than comparable pieces made from new materials, especially when craftsmanship and design quality are clearly visible. The financial rewards of working with old barnwood also stem from strategic efficiency and smart positioning. While the material itself is often sourced affordably or even free, its value multiplies through skilled labor and thoughtful design. The maker's ability to see potential where others see waste is what creates profit, turning low-cost inputs into high-demand products. Each finished piece represents a blend of creativity and business insight, as design decisions are guided not only by aesthetics, but by an understanding of what modern homeowners seek. Clean profiles, versatile dimensions, and neutral tones allow barnwood furniture to fit seamlessly into a wide range of interiors, expanding its market appeal. This adaptability makes pieces easier to sell and reduces the risk of unsold inventory, a critical factor in building a sustainable furniture business. Over time, a recognizable style and consistent quality build trust, encouraging repeat buyers and word-of-mouth growth. Beyond financial gain, crafting furniture from old barnwood offers a deeper sense of purpose that resonates with both makers and customers. Each project becomes an act of preservation, rescuing materials that might otherwise be discarded or burned and giving them new relevance in contemporary life. This connection between past and present is deeply human, appealing to people who want their homes to reflect values rather than trends. In modern spaces often dominated by sleek surfaces and mass-produced items, reclaimed barnwood furniture introduces warmth, texture, and soul. It grounds interiors, making them feel lived in and intentional, and this emotional impact is a powerful driver of demand. When furniture carries meaning, it transcends fashion cycles and becomes something people keep, care for, and pass down, reinforcing its long-term value. Ultimately, transforming old barnwood into marketable, stylish furniture for modern homes proves that sustainability and profitability are not opposing forces, but complementary ones. Through careful refinement, thoughtful design, and finishes that honor the wood's history while meeting modern expectations, humble reclaimed boards become premium furniture with strong market appeal. This process demonstrates that true value lies not in perfection, but in character, intention, and craftsmanship. In today's market, where buyers seek authenticity and connection, barnwood furniture stands as a powerful example of how upcycling can deliver creative fulfillment, environmental responsibility, and meaningful profit all at once. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.